Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are tasked to solve the following equation using the formula, quadratic formula. Step 1 will be to identify the value of the letter A. And that is the coefficient of x squared, the number in front of x squared. B will be the coefficient of x, which is the number in front of x, in this case negative 28. C will be the constant, and so we are going to, A is here, B is here, C is here. Substitute into the formula carefully, and notice that when I substitute into the formula, I usually put a bracket. A is 4, C is 49, and the whole thing over 2A. Okay, then I continue to simplify. Negative 28 will be positive 28. I'm going to plus minus the square root of 0, and the whole thing is over 8. So this is actually an interesting case because the square root of 0 will only give me one answer. So this is important. This is something to highlight to everyone, that square root of 0 is equals to 0. So in this particular example, therefore, there will only be one answer in this special case. It will be 28 plus 0 over 8. And that will give me a value of 3.5. Okay, 3.5. So again, this is because of this, and therefore it is a special case.